I've got it.
What?
I've got the map.
Yes.
It says
What does it say?
it says that you need to go in the lagoon, I'm pretty sure, and that the will be somewhere at the bottom.
I'll have to find a way to get to the bottom.
You could lagoon.
Can I swim or do I have to go in a boat?
Can you breathe underwater?
No. I'll take a boat.
Okay, that's a better idea.
Yes.
Yes, you jump in the boat and you get it and bring it back, and then we'll have all the treasure. I'm pretty sure.
I'll go.
Pretty sure. Maybe not. Huh. Whew, safari hunting made me drink lots of water. Lots of water. Lots of water. Woo-hoo. Lots of water. Oh, over there's good.
I think this will fit me nicely.
Gonna find a treasure, and we're gonna find a treasure.
There it is. There it is. Yes. Got it. Yes! I found it! I'm coming! I found it! Safari Serena, here it is! What? That's not Safari Serena! Get back here! Oh! Ah! Get back here!
Feels so much better. Okay. Cha-ching!
And forgive our debts as we forgive our debtors. Matthew 6:12.